Erasing in AutoCAD can save your day or ruin it. Here is how to control it. Hello and welcome to AutoCAD 2025 series. In this session, our focus is learning how to erase objects in AutoCAD. Be with me and enjoy learning. To learn how to erase and delete the objects in AutoCAD, here, let's do it in a practical manner. Consider this plan. I want to delete all the columns. For doing that, at first I need to select them. I use select similar from here and I select the column one of them. By saying enter, all of them are selected. Now, I have different viewpoints to delete my objects. The easiest way is using the delete key on the keyboard. Now, if I press the delete, as you can see, I can delete my objects. Sometimes you do a mistake and you want to get back to your previous action. What can you do? It's easy. You can use undo. By typing undo, you can do, for example, it asks me what number of operation. I say 1 is okay. You see, I get back to my previous action. Let's this time delete it in another manner. How we can delete this? Again, I select my columns by select similar, as you can see. This time, I can come to modify panel, and from here I have access to erase command. As you see, it says removes objects from a drawing. I can select erase, and it's done. We learned how we can get undo, but the other way is using Ctrl Z. Like other softwares, it works here too. You can have access to this erase by using its alias. What is that? It's E, or you can type erase in full form, and by saying enter, now you can select. For example, I want to delete this dimension. As you see, when I select on this, by having a left click on that, it's not deleted. It's in a pale color. I can, for example, select one by one. As you see, in this step, they are not deleted. Now, if I say enter, all of them are deleted. In this case, I say Ctrl Z, I get back. You can have access to this modify, to the erase in this modify panel. In here, the erase. It does the same case. Thanks for watching and I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you enjoyed, subscribe to our channel and be part of our community. We will learn the AutoCAD together in an easy manner. Be with me and enjoy learning. Take care and goodbye.